This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Elite Suito to Zwift. First, ensure your Elite Suito smart trainer is placed on a firm, flat surface. Next, plug the trainer into a standard electrical outlet to power it on. Finally, securely mount your bicycle onto the trainer, making sure the rear wheel is removed and the bike is stable. This physical setup is the crucial first step before any digital connections. Your Elite Suito offers two primary connection methods, Bluetooth Smart or ANT plus FEC. Before proceeding, close any other applications that might try to connect to your trainer, like other cycling apps or fitness trackers. It is very important not to pair your trainer directly through your device's operating system Bluetooth settings. Zwift handles the connection internally for optimal performance. Now, launch the Zwift application on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Once open, navigate to the pairing screen. Here, you will see a list of available devices. Select your Elite Suito for three crucial connections: power source, controllable trainer, and cadence. This ensures Zwift receives all necessary data and can control your trainer's resistance for an immersive experience. For the most accurate data, perform a spin-down calibration using the Elite My e-training application. Also, regularly check for and install any firmware updates using the Elite Upgrado app to ensure peak performance. Once calibrated and updated, return to Zwift, select your desired route or workout, and begin your ride. You are now ready to explore the virtual worlds of Zwift with your Elite Suito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.